Hi everyone! So whilst we're filming this, it's currently the end of February 2019, and today we're going to be taking a look at our new 4 loudspeaker 19-inch 1RU rack audio monitor called the GS-MON004. This is a brand new design that's utilising the very latest 2019 technologies, which has allowed us to design a rack confidence monitor that we really do believe provides superior acoustical performance to other manufacturers' older designs. The 19-inch 1RU 4 loudspeaker audio monitor is of course a stalwart of many outside broadcast trucks, with the 4 individual loudspeakers providing considerably improved cognitive recognition for the operator over a rack with 1 single loudspeaker fed with 4 audio sources. Our new rack is fitted with the very latest loudspeaker drive units, which were originally designed as full bandwidth speakers for mounting in a flat screen TV. But they do coincidentally and also very usefully fit in a 1RU rack. These drive units also have modern neodymium magnets that have a reasonably low Tesla magnetic induction properties. There is a very modern low distortion Class D amplifier chipset that's been fitted for driving the loudspeakers, and apart from being low noise and distortion, a modern Class D amplifier doesn't have any of the heat dissipation issues that the older units suffered with. Each amplifier or loudspeaker has 2 audio inputs that are mixed together, and this allows a stereo source to be monitored on 1 loudspeaker if required. All the audio inputs are electronically balanced on rear panel Neutrik XLRs, just here. So each of the channels has a front panel volume control. Let me turn it up. A peak LED, which helps to indicate that an incoming audio circuit is too high. A present or presence LED that illuminates when audio is active to an input. And there's also an illuminated mute switch for quick and easy muting of a channel. The Class D amplifiers can provide 4 watts of RMS power to each loudspeaker and a maximum peak of 5 watts. The peak's limited by a compressor circuit that prevents damage to the drive units. This compressor circuit's been carefully designed to prevent tainting of the audio at all normal listening levels. Now, although 4 watts may not seem like an overly high output power, it does equate to a good 88 dB of acoustical output at 0.6 meters from the driver if 1 speaker is driven, or a large 98 dB of acoustical output if all 4 speakers are driven coherently. Now, one of the really outstanding factors of our MON004 is its frequency response, which, as can be seen from this output curve, is within plus or minus 9 dB from 22 kHz down to 120 Hz. Although again, this may not seem that impressive compared to a studio monitor, if you compare this to other manufacturers' 4-speaker racks, you'll see that it is ahead of its field, and this does really show through its listening tests. The unit's powered by an internal switch mode power supply, just on the back here, which makes it suitable for use worldwide, and it's also housed in a rigid aluminium housing with anodized and laser printed front and rear panels, and a powder coated lid and base. And for any of you out there wondering, we do plan to have a Dante or AES 67 compliant version available soon. And any of you keen viewers may have also noticed these under here, and these are our Glensound playing cards. So if you see us stall at any exhibitions, then come up and just ask for some and we'll happily give you them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope that you've learned something. But if you do have any more questions or queries about this unit or any other Glensound products, then head on over to www.glensound.com, and I'll see you soon. Bye!